Balance the bike between your legs, kick the kickstand up, turn the key to the on position, pull in the clutch lever and use the left foot lever to shift gears. Click down hard until you get to first and click up gently from first to get to neutral. When the bike is in neutral, it will roll freely and can start without moving forward. To start the bike, hold the clutch in and press the ignition switch. To get the bike moving, hold the clutch in, shift down into first gear, and very slowly release the clutch until you feel the bike start to creep forward. At this point, immediately stop releasing the clutch and hold it at that position. Once you're above 5 miles per hour, pull your legs up, let the clutch go completely, and apply throttle gently. Proceed to accelerate until your bike's engine sounds too stressed. At this point, pull the clutch in, shift up past neutral into second, and release. Repeat this process to shift up and down through each gear as necessary. To come to a stop, brake gently while at the same time shifting back down to neutral, remembering to pull in the clutch during shifting. Put your feet down at around 5 miles per hour and roll to a stop.